In this video, we will discuss about profit, loss and discount. First, we will discuss some common terms which we are used in different transactions. First one is cost price. The amount for which an article is purchased is called its cost price. In shortly, we write as CP. CP means cost price of the article or any object or anything we purchase from a shop. Suppose we have purchased a TV from a shop, the price of the TV we call it as cost price. Now second term is the selling price. The amount for which an article is sold is called its selling price, denoted by SP. So selling price, the amount or the price for which an article is sold. The article is sold by the shopkeeper. Now mark price or MB. The price mentioned by the shopkeeper more than the selling price to give a discount to the buyer. The word discount we are familiar in festival season. So for giving a discount to the customer, often the shopkeeper write a mark price on the article. This mark price is above or more than selling price, and this price we called as mark price. Now profit is the amount gained after selling the product more than its cost price. Suppose in a product the selling price is more than the cost price, so there is a difference in amount. That difference we call it as profit. Same way, loss, when the product is sold and selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. So loss means the difference of cost price and selling price. That means in a transaction, if cost price is more than selling price, in that case there is a difference in cost price and selling price. That difference we called as loss. Now you can look at here some formula for finding or you calculating profit and loss. First one, how to calculate profit or gain. Profit is also called gain. Profit or gain equal to selling price minus cost price. Here the selling price will be greater than cost price. And second one, loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. In loss, cost price is greater than selling price. Now the percentage of profit. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Similarly, loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100. That means loss by CP into 100. Now discount equal to mark price minus selling price. Discount is mark price minus selling price, that is MB minus SP. And the percentage of discount equal to discount divided by mark price into 100. That means by using this formula you can find out the percentage of discount given to the customer. So these are the main formula we are using here. First one is profit, second loss, again profit percentage and loss percentage. And if profit is given and selling price is given, then by using this same formula you can calculate cost price. So we can rearrange this formula according to the question. Now some more formulas are there. Apart from this formula, we can use some tricks or formula by which you can easily solve the profit and loss problem. So here we can listen. These are the formula. Let selling price take as SP, cost price as CP, and the mark price as MB, profit as P and loss as L. Now SP equal to 100 plus P divided by 100 into CP. 100 plus P means 100 plus profit divided by 100 into cost price. Similarly, SP equal to 100 minus loss divided by 100 into CP. Here listen, 100 minus loss. Again, if suppose we have to find out CP equal to 100 divided by 100 plus P into 100. And again, suppose loss is given, then Cp equal to 100 by 100 minus loss into Sp. And discount, we can find out discount equal to MB minus Sp. And here rearrange it here, Sp you can write as Sp equal to MB minus discount. And discount percentage is discount by MB into 100. That is the discount percentage. So by using this formula, we can solve the questions on profit and loss. So you have to remember this formula for solving the question. Now we can see some examples. First one, find the gain or loss percent when Sp is 713 and Cp is 620. It is a simple question. Selling price is given as 713 and cost price is 620. By checking this value, you can find out Sp is greater than Cp. That is, selling price is more than cost price. If selling price is more than cost price, there is a gain or profit. So we can calculate here gain equal to Sp minus Cp. That is 713 minus 620, that is equal to 93. So gain percentage equal to gain into 100 by Cp or gain by Cp into 100. Put the values and simplify it, you will get 15%. So this is the first question. Here you find out gain. And second one, Rega bought a sari for rupees 1240 and sold it for rupees 1147. Find her loss and loss percent. So first you find out loss and second loss percent. So here by analyzing here you can see the Rega bought a sari for rupees 1240. That means Cp of the sari is 1240 and selling price of the sari is 1147. So by comparing these two, you can find out Cp is more than Sp of the sari. So here loss is here. So loss equal to Cp minus Sp. That is 1240 minus 1147. That is equal to 93. Now we find out loss percent. Loss percent equal to loss by Cp into 100. Loss is 93, Cp is 1240 into 100. So simplify it, you will get 7.5%. So this is the loss percent. So loss percent is 7.5%. Now question number 3. The cost price of 10 article is equal to selling price of 9 article. Find profit percentage. Here selling price or cost price not given. Selling price is not given and cost price also not given, but only a relation is given. That is, the cost price of 10 article equal to selling price of 9 article. So here either cost price or selling price of the article you have to consider as x rupees. So I take here, let the cost price of one article is rupees x. So you can write cost price of 9 article is 9 times x, that is 9x. So cost price of 9 article 9x. Now you find out selling price of 9 article. For finding profit, we have to find out cost price and selling price. So here cost price of 9 article is 9x and selling price of 9 article, here in the question it is given selling price of 9 article equal to cost price of 10 article. That means here you can write selling price of 9 article equal to cost price of 10 article, that is 10x. So here 10x is greater than 9x. So there is a profit, and so the cost price, so the cost price is less than selling price. So here you can write profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 10x minus 9x equal to x. Then profit percentage, profit by CP into 100. So here profit is X. Now CP means CP of 9 article, that is 9x, because we are taking profit by subtracting cost price of 9 article and selling price of 9 article. When we are calculating profit, the number of articles should be same. So here x by 9x into 100. So x and x cancel, we will get 100 by 9%, or you can divide it and you can write in decimal. So this is a profit percent, that is 100 by 9%. Now next question, fourth one. A retailer buys a cooler for rupees 1200 and overhead expenses are on it are rupees 40. If he sells the cooler for rupees 1550, determine the profit percentage. So here a new term is here, overhead expenses. Overhead expenses means, suppose you are buying an old item, then there we have to spend some money on it repair. Or suppose we are to buy some article from a shop, so bringing that article to our home, we have to spend some money on transportation. And this type of cost that we called as overhead expenses. That means it is a cost of transportation, or it may be the cost of repairing, or any other charges related to the item. So here overhead charges is rupees 40. So it may be the cost of transportation. So here the overhead charges is always be added to cost price. So here the cost price of the cooler is rupees 1200 and the overhead cost, that is rupees 40. Now here you have to find out the total cost, that means cost of the cooler plus overhead charges, that is equal to 1200 plus 40, that is 1240. So this is the total cost of the article, total cost of the cooler. So this is CP, this is considered as CP of the cooler. Now you find out SP of the cooler. So SP of the cooler is given here, that is 1550. Now you compare here CP and SP. SP is 1550 and CP is 1240. Here you can see SP is more than CP. So here is also profit. You find out profit, that is equal to SP minus CP, that is equal to 1550 minus 1240, that is equal to 310. So for finding profit percentage, first to find out profit. Profit is 310. Now find out profit percentage. Profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. That is 310 divided by 1240 into 100. Here be careful, here CP means the total CP, or the CP that including the overhead charges also. So that will consider as CP, not 1200. Here CP is 1240. In any question, if overhead charges is there, it will be added to the cost price or cost of the item. Then in finding percentage of profit or loss percentage, that total amount will be the CP for finding this. So here you will get the answer 25%. Now we will move to another question. One more question we will discuss now. Question number 5. Hari bought 20 kg of rice for rupees 36 per kilogram and 25 kg of rice for rupees 32 per kilogram. He mixed the two varieties and sold the mixture at rupees 38 per kilogram. Find his gain percent in the whole transaction. So in this question, Hari bought two type of rice. First one, 20 kg of rice, rupees 36 per kilogram. And second type rice, 25 kilogram, the cost is rupees 32 per kilogram. So in the answer, first we find out total cost of rice of first variety. That is 20 kilogram rice is there, that is 20 into 36, that is 720. Again you find out the cost of rice for the second type, that is 25 kg is there, 25 kg rice is there, so the cost is 25 into 32, that is 800. So now you find out the total cost of two rice varieties. So that will be the CP. CP including the cost of the rice in both the type. So here total cost is 720 plus 800, that is equal to 1520. Now you find out the total quantity of two rices, that is first type is 20 kg, second type is 25 kg. If you mix it together, you will get 45 kg, that is 20 plus 25. So for selling there is 45 kilogram of rice. So we have to calculate the selling price. Selling price of the mixture of two rice, that is equal to 38 into 45. 35 is the total weight, that is 45 into 38, you will get 1710. Now you compare the CP and SP. That means CP of two varieties of rice and SP of the mixture of two varieties of rice. So CP you got 1520 and SP is 1710. So comparing these two, you can find out selling price is more than cost price. So there is a gain equal to SP minus CP, that is 1710 minus 1520, that is equal to 190. So this is the gain, 190 rupees. So gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100, that is 190 by 1520 into 100. So here also take care, CP is the total cost of two varieties of rice, that is CP is 1520, and simplify it, you will get 12.5%. So thus the Harry will get 12.5% gain in the whole transaction. So I hope it is clear, these 5 examples, and through this example you can solve other question also. So remember the main formula for this profit and loss. So thank you for watching this video.